Welcome to this rapid-fire explainer. Today, we're going to use a hyper-realistic mental garden to permanently lock 9 complex shrubbery climbers right into your brain. Let's get into it. Here is the blueprint for our ultra-realistic garden tour. We'll hit the shrubbery maze, the Bougainvilleas, the Jasmines, the Grandifloras, the unique vines, and finally, your botanical blueprint.
So, how do you perfectly memorize a lush shrubbery? Well, you don't just read a list. We're building a vivid, fast-paced mental landscape so you can actually see these names in your mind.
Section 1. Enter the shrubbery maze. We are taking 9 distinct climbers and chunking them into unforgettable visual paths. Next up, Section 2. The brilliant Bougainvilleas. Picture 2 distinct name tags hanging on a vibrant trellis, Mrs. Butt on the left and Louis Wathen on the right. Visually pairing them like this, it literally makes them unforgettable. Moving right along to Section 3, the sweet jasmines. Stepping deeper into the shrubbery, we contrast 2 jasmine variations. We've got Grandiflora anchored on one side and Humile on the other. And here's a standout detail. Jasminium grandiflora is dramatically known as the chamele. Giving it this unique character title gives your brain a real texture to latch onto. All right, Section 4, the giant Grandifloras. Here is a massive memory shortcut for you. The botanical term Grandiflora just means large flowered. Understanding this central anchor creates a huge visual hack for your memory. Because by linking to this giant flower concept, you instantly lock in 3 distinct items at once: Alamanda, Beaumontia, and of course, our old friend Jasmine. Into the thickest part of the maze now, Section 5, the unique exotic vines. Let's take a fast 3-step journey to find the wild cards. Step 1, Hyptage matablata. Step 2, Petrea volubilis. And Step 3, Tacoma capensis. Finally, Section 6, your botanical blueprint. We are out of the maze, and here is your ultimate cheat sheet. We've structured all 9 numerals into Bougainvilleas, Jasmines, Grandifloras, and exotics for instant, easy recall. You know, we just transformed a dry, intimidating list into a hyper-realistic landscape. So I'll leave you with this provocative thought. What other complex systems can you master by planting them in a well-organized mental garden? See you in the next explainer.